In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to reconcile transactions in Xero step by step. Reconciliation is one of the most important parts of managing your finances because it helps ensure your records are accurate and up to date. Let's get started. To begin, log in to your Xero account and head over to your dashboard. From there, navigate to the Accounting menu at the top of the screen. Click on Bank Accounts, and you'll see a list of all your connected bank accounts. This gives you a clear overview of your financial activity across different accounts. Now, select the account you want to reconcile. Once you open it, look for the Reconcile option and click on it. This will take you to the reconciliation screen, where all the action happens. On this page, you'll see your bank statement lines on one side and suggested matches from Xero on the other. Your goal here is to make sure each transaction matches correctly. If Xero finds a match automatically, you can simply review the details and click OK to confirm. This is the fastest way to reconcile transactions. However, if a transaction doesn't have a match, you can click on Find and Match. This allows you to search through your existing records and link the correct transaction manually. If you still can't find the transaction, you can create a new one directly from this screen. Just click on Create or Add Transaction, then enter the necessary details like amount, date, and description. There are different types of transactions you can record here. For example, if you're receiving money that isn't linked to an invoice, you can record it as income. If you're making a payment, you can categorize it as an expense. You can also handle special cases like overpayments or partial payments by selecting the appropriate option and entering the correct details. Once you've matched or created the transaction, click OK or Save to confirm it. Repeat this process for each transaction until everything is reconciled. As you go, you'll notice that your bank balance and Xero balance start to align perfectly. Here are a few tips to make reconciliation easier. Try to reconcile your transactions regularly instead of leaving everything until the end of the month. Always double-check amounts and dates before confirming matches, and use clear descriptions for your transactions to make future reconciliation faster. And that's it. You've successfully reconciled your transactions in Xero. Once you get used to the process, it becomes quick and easy, and it plays a huge role in keeping your financial records accurate. If you found this helpful, feel free to check out more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.